Welcome, dear viewers, to our channel, Life Worth Sharing. Today we embark on an exciting journey through the captivating landscapes and vibrant community of Paradise Estate in Ghana. Many of you are curious about the allure of our neighborhood and have flooded our inbox with inquiries about property prices, particularly for 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom homes, both for sale and rent. We're thrilled to answer all your burning questions today and provide comprehensive insights into the real estate market here at Paradise Estate. This video aims to serve as your ultimate guide, offering transparency and clarity on property prices. So sit back, relax, and join us on this immersive journey as we unravel the splendor of Paradise Estate and address your queries on property prices. Let's dive in together. For those who missed the entirety of our neighborhood tour, we invite you to refer to the video shown on the screen to immerse yourself in the enchanting landscapes and vibrant community of Paradise Estate. Before we dive into our home interior tour, let's take a moment to explore how we've personalized and adorned our living and dining space. This sneak peek will not only spark your imagination, but also provide valuable insights into potential furnishing options if you decide to make Paradise Estate your home. Join us as we unveil the imaginative arrangements and decor selections that infuse vitality into our living and dining areas. If you're considering buying or renting from Paradise Estate, envision yourself here as we offer ideas to make your future abode uniquely yours. Welcome to the tour of this 3-bedroom residence tour. This expansive home boasts 3 ensuite bedrooms, offering all the necessary comforts while awaiting your personal touch with furnishings. Delve into the elegance of its generous layout and be sure not to overlook the rooftop area, perfect for relaxation and enjoying the picturesque views of Paradise Estate. For those interested, this property is available for rent at $800 per month or for purchase at $220,000. Explore the possibilities of making this your new home today. As we conclude our tour, we present to you the exquisite 4-bedroom, all en suite, a true epitome of classic elegance and spacious living. This remarkable property offers the flexibility of both furnished and unfurnished options. It is available for sale at $280,000. However, for inquiries regarding this particular building, please contact the number provided below. A dedicated team will be delighted to assist you and arrange a viewing if you're interested. We hope this tour has provided you with valuable insights and answered all your questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, goodbye, and thanks for watching. And the name is Life Worth Sharing. If it's not worth it, we ain't sharing.